Welcome back to... Oh, that's not even fucking Will! Fuck you! Okay, I'm gonna cut this pipe. Will, what do you want me to cut it to? God damn! Sanded them hoes down.
He made it work because he's a professional. He's a professional.
Will and I, we started on the down pipe. It's all tacked up. Skeeter did a great job on turning down our flange on the back of the turbo. I gotta go. Welcome back to... Oh, that's not even fucking Will. Fuck you. Dude, I'm running over here. I'm like, oh shit, Will's doing something. I was like, oh, we gotta fucking do it.
Did you start recording? I tapped him and pointed over there. It's like, look.
Dude, I didn't even look.
Hit them with that zoom in.
Will has been tacking up the titanium for the downpipe. I helped him hold it. I learned today that if the metal is not touching the table, then I become the ground. Okay, I'm gonna cut this pipe. Will, what do you want me to cut it to?
10 inches.
10 inches, like just a straight cut.
Yeah.
Okay. Look how easy that is. Wait, can I use the big saw? Chris is pissed.
He's working too hard, man.
Yeah, I know. It's like
too much going on, and we're all over here having fun.
It's like 6 o'clock, dude. What are you doing?
Hey, go home. It's like 7.
Dude, clock out.
You're done.
Yeah, you're done.
You're done for today.
You're done.
That's it.
No more.
No mas.
God damn. Sanded them hoes down. Wow.
That's why ABS is a great thing.
You want to tell us what happened?
Yeah, the ABS don't work. Yeah, 90 miles an hour in the train tracks.
He's got you working again tonight, huh, brother, huh? What's got you doing?
Valve adjustment.
Wow, that's insane. That's a lot of work.
And an engine mount.
And an engine mount. What are you doing?
You can have the car. I'll stay here and drink.
Kevin is doing not a goddamn thing again. Dude, what is... Chris is back there still working. Yeah. Shit. And Will and I are over here. Well, right now it's really Will. Will's killing it. Doing the titanium exhaust. We're mocking it up. We got we got my muffler back here, just sitting on the dead man, and then we're mocking up the downpipe to see how it's gonna fit. How's this process going, Dad?
Not bad.
Yeah?
Yep, coming along. Time for another cut. Get another piece of straight in here.
What do you want?
My tape. Tape measure.
Oh, you just said tape. And see, that's how this relationship works. He needs something, I grab it. You know, we're in perfect sync. You know, I'm getting there. He did not let me touch the welder. I just want to let that be known, to tack this up at all. Did not let me touch the welder, but did shock the hell out of me because I didn't have the metal on the table. If anyone's ever wondering what it's like working with Will, this is pretty much it. It's very quiet while he does his thinking, and then he may ask for input or something like that. So I'm gonna put the camera down until we actually... We have a downpipe, ladies and gentlemen. Well, kind of. We just put it straight on, and then Will's trying to figure out what he's gonna need for the bottom to bend it out. And then we'll be able to start going back throughout the whole exhaust. It's looking pretty good.
Thursday.
Okay, all right. What do I need to do? What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you
We're
saying?
gonna start this bitch by Friday.
By Friday.
By Friday.
Friday.
Yep.
No alternator. No alternator.
We don't need that. We got a jump box. I need fuel.
Mm-hmm.
I need an exhaust.
Okay.
At least a downpipe.
Mm-hmm.
We start this thing.
Downpipe's there. Okay.
And you're over here slacking.
Kevin.
You are slacking.
I'm...
Will is busting his ass doing this muffler for you. You see this thing right now. He's had to cut your pipe 3 times.
Okay, but
It's titanium.
But one time he cut it wrong.
That's
Actually used.
you know what?
Actually
He
worked.
used it. He made it work
put a
because
pie
he's a
cut in there.
professional. He's a professional.
actually
He knows
made it
what he's
better.
doing.
Oh my God.
He made it work. Look at this thing. It's ready to go. All he's got to go is from here to the downpipe. And he's done.
Yeah.
He's done, brother. And then what is it? It's all on you.
It's wiring.
Yep.
Kevin has been berating me and attacking me for the last 20 minutes.
Eric, it's when you get this shit done.
Okay. What do you need a magnet for? What do you need a magnet for? Dude, I'm gonna kiss the shit out of you tonight.
Whoa! What?
I'll
Yep.
back the fuck out of you tonight.
Oh!
Bring it on.
I'm going home.
What the fuck was that? Oh my God. Very careful, Will. He's trying to figure it out. Understand his dynamic. Figure out his planes. See where he wants to sit. Wow.
Where do you post all these videos?
My YouTube channel.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah. Yeah, if you don't know where I post the videos, they go to www.youtube.com/Kruddykarl. You can find them all there and hit that subscribe button. I have no idea. How did that feel, sir? First weld.
It was tough.
Yeah.
It's a crappy spot.
Ah. Okay. What do you think about going into the next area, and then what you're going to change in your game plan going forward?
I'm gonna find better help.
He's not going to find any better help. Well, for that. So what are you doing right now?
Using the argon to cool the weld down.
Ah, okay. So what does that do?
That keeps the oxygen from getting to the weld before it's completely cool.
Ah, okay. So does that mean for a cleaner weld?
Yeah,
Ah, okay.
less contamination.
So what's your next plan going to the next weld session?
Gotta line up the next hanger so it's hanging on its own,
Yeah.
and then we will fit up the next piece to get into the long run to go back towards the downpipe.
But what I really want to focus on is this hanger here. So what are your thoughts going into that process there?
I don't know yet.
Okay.